Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Aaron Basenk. VHS and DVD opening and review events 1999. I'm gonna opening/closing two in extremely rare VHS. Scholastic video collection, Bear, Snores on, and more stories to celebrate the seasons. And here's the front, the spine, the other spine. Here is the top, and the back. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There's something special about every season in these classic stories, children's stories. Children's stories includes Bear Snores On, Waiting for Winks, and Come On, Rain. "26 minutes running time. And here is the tape with the ink label. There is no weakened your code. There is no print date here. Sorry about that.
Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night.
I hug Mama hard, and she hugs me back. The rain has made us new. As the clouds move off, I trace the drips on Mama's face. Everywhere, everyone, everything is misty limbs springing back to life. We sure did get a soaking, Mama, I say. And we head home, purely soothed, fresh as dew, turning toward the first sweet rays of the sun.